In this short video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a product in Wix. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix dashboard, which looks something like this. And then on the left-hand side of the screen, you will see the side menu right here. From the side menu, I want you to hover over catalog. Then from the little menu that opens up right here, I want you to hover over store products. And then I want you to click on products. And that's going to take you to all the products that you have on your website at the moment. From here, I want you to find the product they want to duplicate. In my case, I'm going to duplicate this very top product right here. So I'm going to hover over it, don't click on it, and then you'll see these three dots right here on the side. Click on them and then click on duplicate, and that's going to automatically duplicate that particular product. As you can see, copy of I'm a product is the title. So click on save right here, and then that's going to take us back to the product page. And as you can see, here's the duplicate of the product. Now, when you duplicate the product, bear in mind that it duplicates every detail of this specific product, including the price, the shipping, and all the other information that you have in the original product itself. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to duplicate the product in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.